Fucking pretty much spot on where it was before.
Yeah, right, mate.
There we go. Line it up.
You on? Yep. Oh, proper.
She's feeling mine.
Stingray.
Remember, you've only got 6 kilo on. Yeah, I know. I don't want to put the drag up much more than what it is. Nah, bro, let him run. Just let him run. Let him run time out there.
Just a good footage. Yeah, man.
Hand in on that. Hang on a minute. She's peeling.
Oh, yeah.
Stopped a little bit. It's hard to say, there's no headlocks now. It could be just a shark or a ray. The big run doesn't scream ray.
Could be a trib.
Yeah, it could be a good trip. The fact that it hit that current, oh, what was that?
You see something surface?
Yeah. To be honest, it looked like a ray tail.
Ah. Was it running down the beat? Yeah, there it is. Just watch out the rods, eh?
Sure he was. Yeah, I'm used to just fucking blocking, like dragging the drag up a bit more, just peeling a bit. That feels like a shark.
But we can't go triple now. Come on, give us some action.
Why are you drinking on? down a little bit. Mine's riding close.
Hey?
You got gummies?
Yeah. I'll pick it up, darling. Whoa. Coming back up.
Oh, he doesn't like that bank. I'm snagged on something just there.
Just there? Nah.
Fucking hell. Not a wreck. I just want to get that socket on and then I'll be fucking away. Oh, yo, there it is. Big snap.
Big snap!
Fuck.
Woohoo!
The other way.
Yep.
Holy fuck! That is what we came for! Holy shit!
Yahoo!
Fuck you!
What the fuck, bro?
That is fucking huge!
Go on, hold it up, bro. Get it done. Oh, buddy. That's...
That is fucking epic! Oh! Me! My first trip out in like 2 months. Yeah, so that's what mine felt like a ray at first. Well, I'm wondering honestly, remember big snappers travel in pairs? Yeah, imagine that. I've got the male, so if yours is a female, it'll be
a bit chunky, eh?
bigger.
Yeah.
Fucking wrecked. Holy shit. Fuck, when I seen that come in over that lip. Oh, bro. I was expecting the stingray and then the big snap. I almost wet myself.
Wait till this snap comes up, bro. It's gotta be, right? It's gotta be.
It doesn't hurry up, I'm going for a swim just to see what it is. You'll swim out there and fucking see us a big snap and just cut the line off.
Yeah, no, it's just as well Trevo.
Yeah. Sorry, but oh, look at it go! Look at it flap on the back! It's shaking the suspension on the ute. That is fucking easy.
Doesn't look like a ray though. Might just be a taupe or something. He's a happy man, eh? Yeah. Time to push up and different nice ones.
Nice, this is just like a big lazy snack.
Oh mate, be good, eh? Be fucking good. Yeah, it's a tight.
Oh fuck yeah, it's not a bad one. Right, now pull it down. The reason why you follow it down is then its tail not get wrecked. The tail gets wrecked when they're going loose. You have the front of it down there, you control it. Keep the rod always to the side. Follow it.
Ah.
You straighten the hook, did it?
No, just drop the hook. What hooks are you using?
Hey?
What hooks are you using?
It's a BKK.
Yeah. Did you drop it?
Yeah.
Did you drop your fish?
Yeah.
Did you lose it?
Yeah, I did. I see what you did there.
Yeah. Reckon about 4.5, 4.8.
It's got to be above 4, right?
Yeah, it's definitely above 4. I reckon about 4.8. It's got a good tail on the mate. Five point 5.5.
The aftermath.
No, do you want to take? No, one more.
Yeah. What did it measure?
65.
Made my fucking weekend even just seeing one come off the fish.
Well, get up there.
Don't tell me again.
There's the 1 quid of that one.
Oh no. Oh yes. Oh, for fuck's sake. Give me some time, mate.
No, take the phone, take the phone.
This is taking the piss, mate.
On. Come on, you lad. You know you want it.
You on, Jayden? Is she peeling? Did it have a proper run or?
Nah, not really.
Oh yeah, it could be a snap.
It's not really head nodding like a snap though. Like,
True.
No way, your one never
Neither
did.
did mine, bro. At first I was like, yeah, Ray on, like we both said no.
This isn't a big deal weight though.
My snapper took off like a ray at the
It
start.
did, eh?
Yeah, it was a big run.
Oh, yahoo! Oh, it's a good size, bro.
Hey, it's another goodie, bro.
Fuck yeah. That's me, that's my first snap off the beach.
That's a good 2.5 kilos, 3 kilos snap. Oh, nice.
Oh, man.
Right, they're here, so I reckon we just stay here.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Hey, Jayden, that
mate.
fish you lost before, what hook was that?
That was on those BKK hooks, mate.
Oh, yeah, real. What was this one caught on?
Choker.
Hey, which one's that? Oh, the choker.
5 bar O.
TK11
That's
to be
the one,
fair.
mate.
Yeah,
That's the
yeah,
one.
nice. Epic, bro. Good stuff. Good to see that they work better than the alternatives.
Fuck, do they what, mate? They work bloody well.
Oh, come on. Yep. Not the goods.
Gently, let it run if it needs to, you fucking hoary cunt. You better edit the footage out of this. Oh, they're here, bro, and they're on that cray. Jayden, get ready to take the camera. Is that a hit?
Really, you did?
Yeah. Still there? Don't heave too hard, that's it. Now once, keep him up, keep that line tight. Once you get his head up, you can go for gold. But he's just not liking that little lip that's just here. And use that wave, that's it. Primo. Now he's coming in, beauty work. There we go. Pressure cut. Head knocks? Oh yeah. Yep. That's where you're going to lose it. He's right on it. He wants to go. The wing's about to crash though. Use that race.
Oh, I see the tail, bro. Good tail.
Just chill. Get there.
Yeah, maybe 1.5.
3.5? Yeah, right.
Eventually, you'll just come over. Just wait.
No, not really. What's a penny, but maybe.
Fuck, I love your mullet.
feels a bit bigger than my last one.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem sharky.
Come on, cunt. Let's get it, mullet man. Good fish? Yeah, bro. Do that again and get that on film.
Slow-mo, eh?
Yeah. Here's the whole...
Fell right.
I'm just talking to my Taranaki folk. You're in fucking whalers. That's it, just keep a nice even pressure on it. Just wait. Eventually, a wave with it will help pop its head. Nice one, Rosa.
Fuck yeah, get back.